Hi, this is Elisa with WTI. Are you looking for some comfortable wireless earbuds? Well, you have to stop looking for them because you have just found them, and they're these Beats Fit Pro. I love using them for everything. I go walk, I bring them with me because they're so comfortable not having to hold your phone. If you're listening to music, if you're talking to somebody, if you're just having a cup of coffee while walking, I love using this at the gym too, since it's safer so you can either use the equipment properly, not having to hold your phone. And also because they are sweat and water resistant. So if you break a sweat, if you wet them accidentally, you don't have to worry about messing them up. They are so nice, they're easy to charge, and the battery lasts for a pretty long time. They also fit so easily on your pockets, so you don't have to worry about losing the charging case. So if you are looking for the best earbuds, here they are. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.